Could it be true that GPT-5 will spell the end of the entire industry as we know it? The implications are staggering, the stakes immeasurable. As we stand at the precipice of a potential paradigm shift, we must unravel the mysteries that surround this highly anticipated release. What sets GPT-5 apart from its predecessors? What disruptions and transformations lie in store for industries across the globe? Join us on a thrilling quest for answers as we navigate the realm of GPT-5 and its impending impact on the future of artificial intelligence. The keyword AI has exploded in 2023, with corporations stretching their muscles and deploying technologies that take basic text input from consumers and do something amazing quickly. ChatGPT, the chat-based AI tool that can have human-like conversations, is at the core of this commotion. ChatGPT's free version is based on OpenAI's GPT-3.5, a large language model that combines NLP and machine learning. After its November 2022 release, AI's ability to boost processes was widely discussed. It also raised fears about technology displacing employment or endangering humanity. GPT-4, released in March 2023, added graphic prompts and plugin support to the chatbot. Just months after GPT-4's debut, AI aficionados have been eagerly awaiting GPT-5, with high hopes for its intelligence. When will GPT-5 be available? GPT-5 may not be released by OpenAI for some months. It might be further delayed as a result of the widespread alarm caused by AI tools like ChatGPT. GPT-4 triggered several arguments about the ethical usage of AI and how it may harm humans. It was quickly followed by an open letter signed by hundreds of IT professionals, educators, and dignitaries, including Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak, requesting a halt to the training of systems more advanced than GPT-4. Since then, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has said at least twice that the company is not working on GPT-5. Altman said in June 2023, during a press event arranged by the Economic Times in New Delhi, India, "We have a lot of work to do before GPT-5. It is time-consuming. We are not even close." Altman had said at an MIT event in April that OpenAI won't work on GPT-5 for some time. "We are doing other things on top of GPT-4, the CEO said, that I think have all sorts of safety issues that are important to address. GPT-5 is anticipated to be more factually accurate, in addition to producing speedier answers. We've seen multiple instances of ChatGPT, Bing AI Chat, or Google Bard spouting forth pure nonsense, sometimes known as hallucinations in technical terminology. This is due to the fact that these models are trained using restricted and out-of-date data sets. For example, the free version of ChatGPT based on GPT-3.5 only includes information up to June 2021 and may give incorrect answers when questioned about events beyond that date. GPT-4, on the other hand, was trained using a larger collection of data that still extends back to September 2021. In informal talks, OpenAI noticed significant discrepancies between GPT-4 and GPT-3.5. GPT-4 also performed better on a variety of examinations, including the Unified Bar Exam, LSAT, AP Calculus, and others. Furthermore, it outperformed GPT-3.5 machine learning benchmark tests in 23 languages other than English. Eliminating inaccurate GPT-5 answers will be important to its future acceptance, particularly in vital industries like health and education. GPT-4 is unaware of real-world events beyond September 2021. However, it has recently been modified with the capacity to connect to the internet in beta through a specialized web browsing plugin. Microsoft's Bing AI Conversation, which is based on OpenAI's GPT and was recently upgraded to GPT-4, already enables users to get information from the internet. While this gives you access to more up-to-date data, you're certain to get results from untrustworthy websites that rank high in search results using illegal SEO practices. It has to be seen how these AI models counteract this and provide only accurate findings while remaining fast. This might be one of the areas where OpenAI's forthcoming models, particularly GPT-5, can improve. Meta recently revealed ImageBind, a multimodal AI model that can interpret 6 distinct sources of data: text, pictures, video, audio, depth, and heat maps. One may anticipate that OpenAI will make advances in this area by the time it releases GPT-5, making it more helpful in a variety of domains of work, and not only as a chatbot or AI picture generator.